Welcome to the Pitt State Library's web tutorials. Today we will learn how to use the online library catalog. This video illustrates how to locate books in the library and what to do if you cannot find the book you are looking for. Start by navigating to the Pitt State Library website, axe.pittstate.edu. Scroll down to the What Are You Looking For section and click on the second drop-down to find the Search the Catalog search box. From here, you can search by book title or by research topic. For this video, we're going to search for books on math. The next page shows us a number of results relating to math. To narrow down your results, use the filters on the left-hand side of the screen. This is useful if you want to narrow down to only resources found at a specific library location or print materials only. As you research, you might find multiple items that interest you. Click on the shopping cart icon to add books to your cart or the envelope icon to email titles to yourself. That way you can keep track of everything you found. The information below the title tells us more about the book. We can see what kind of material it is, if it is available, and where to find it in the library. If a result is unavailable and you still want to check it out, you can click on the Requested button to the right of the title and follow the directions on the next page. You can fill out an interlibrary loan request. Please click the link in the description or at the end of the video to watch the ILL video for more information. To find a book, we can look at its location information. The first part tells you what library it is located in. This title says Axe 3rd Floor Stacks, so we know that it's on the 3rd floor of Axe Library. The following part is the call number, which tells you exactly where on the 3rd floor the book can be found. The range of numbers are on the ends of the aisle. Once you know the call number of your book, you just need to find the aisle it's in. If you are struggling to find a book in the aisles, do not hesitate to ask for help at a service desk. Once you have located a book, check it out at the circulation service desk with your PSU ID. At this point, you should have a basic idea of how to use the library catalog to find materials. If you have trouble or have additional questions, stop by the reference service desk or contact us through the library chat service. Thank you for watching the catalog tutorial. Make sure to check out our other web tutorials and subscribe to our channel.